You're welcome to our class for today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can successfully print your Excel worksheets without any part of the document cutting off. This is exactly what I'm going to be demonstrating now. I'm doing this because lots of people find it difficult to print Excel sheets. When they print, some part of it will cut off. Excel is not like Microsoft Word page where you send your page, everything prints. Page 1, page 2. Excel, in Excel, a page is known as sheet, Excel worksheet. So how are you going to successfully do the printing? That is what I want to show you right now. So let's get right into it. Suppose you have finished your work. I have this student result um, as a template. For the sake of demonstration, I want to use it to show you how you can achieve printing your Excel worksheet completely. So you press the usual Control P if you want to print. You notice that how many you notice that this print preview shows that something will cut off. It shows that something is going to cut off. If you count the number of columns, we have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But we have more than 10 columns. So let's return back. Go back. So let's count the columns we have here right now. We have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and you notice there is a line, a slight line. This slight vertical line you are seeing here. Once you press Ctrl P, or once you go to print preview, this line must appear. It appears when you click or when you press Ctrl P. This vertical line appears, showing you the printable areas. So that means that all these areas will cut off, but these areas will not cut off. They will print. And that's why these areas we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The 10 columns. We were able to count the 10 columns when we did our Control P. We were able to get the 10 columns. So what are we going to do now so that these other areas that were to cut off, they will all appear on the page as we print. So what we are supposed to do right now, there are many other things we can do. You can try to adjust the column, but aside from adjusting the column, maybe you have multiple columns. Even though I've tried to adjust a bit of the column, you see the line is there. That means that these areas are also cut off. Suppose we want our columns to remain as it is. So what do? Always remember that this menu, the page layout menu, is the menu that we are going to work with. The page layout menu helps you. So when you navigate to the page layout, you go to scale. So when you get to scale, you see percentage of the layout. You have 100%. You can increase, you can decrease. So if we decrease the layout percentage, I have decreased, removed 5% out of the 100. You see where we are right now. If you can see that line, that vertical line. So let me remove extra 5, making it 80. Oh, okay, 90. Yeah. So you see where it is. So let's see what it gives us. As I do it, this thing adjusts. Then the next is I adjust. Yeah, you can see it has everything. Remark is the last column. So let's go back to print preview, control B. You see remark is there, it showed. So if we print this page, everything is going to come out clearly. That is exactly what we need to do. Everything is going to come out clearly, including the borders we have attached or we have put in our worksheet. That is how to achieve that.